Looking for the best washing machine in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated washing machines that deliver outstanding cleaning performance, energy efficiency, smart features, and long-term reliability. Whether you need a front-load, top-load, or high-capacity washer for a large family, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we compare the latest models, highlight their pros and cons, and help you choose the perfect washing machine for your home. Number 3. The GE United Spacemaker Gadget 24 ESSMWW Laundry Center is an excellent solution for apartments, condos, vacation homes, and other spaces where every inch matters. Combining a 2.3 cubic feet top-load washer and a 4.4 cubic feet electric dryer into a single 24-inch wide unit, it delivers full laundry functionality while occupying minimal floor space. Despite its compact footprint, this laundry center offers impressive capacity for everyday household needs. The washer includes multiple cycle options such as bulky, delicates, quick wash, rinse, and spin, making it versatile enough to handle everything from everyday clothing to bedding and delicate fabrics. Users are often surprised by how much laundry the washer can accommodate, including twin sheets and comforters. The dryer provides dependable drying performance with both auto-dry and time-dry settings. Its efficient design helps clothes dry evenly while reducing the need for additional drying cycles. Many owners report that the washer's powerful spin cycle removes a significant amount of moisture, shortening drying times and improving overall efficiency. Customer reviews consistently praise the unit's space-saving design, ease of use, and reliable operation. Buyers also appreciate the smooth delivery and installation experience, as well as the machine's ability to handle larger loads than expected. The innovative wash system uses water efficiently while still delivering excellent cleaning results. Overall, the GE United Spacemaker Gadget 24 ESSMWW is a smart choice for those seeking a compact, dependable, and efficient washer-dryer combination. It offers excellent performance, practical features, and great value for small space living in 2026. Number 2. The Samsung WF45T6000 WPR White Front Load Laundry Package is a practical and efficient laundry solution designed for households that want dependable performance, modern features, and energy savings. With its sleek white finish and Energy Star certification, this washer and dryer package combines style with functionality. One of the standout features is Samsung's Hygiene Steam technology, which helps remove stains, odors, and common household allergens for a deeper clean. The front-load design is gentle on fabrics while providing excellent washing performance across a variety of load sizes. The touch controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing users to select the ideal cycle with minimal effort. The matching dryer features sensor dry technology, which automatically adjusts drying time based on moisture levels. This helps prevent over-drying, protects clothing from unnecessary wear, and improves energy efficiency. Together, the washer and dryer offer reliable results while helping reduce utility costs over time. Customer feedback highlights the machine's excellent build quality and impressively quiet operation. Many users appreciate how smoothly the units run, even during high-speed cycles, making them a great option for homes where noise is a concern. Owners also praise the professional installation experience and overall ease of use. While one customer experienced shipping-related damage, they noted that Samsung responded quickly and provided a replacement unit, demonstrating strong customer support. Overall, the Samsung WF45T6000 WPR laundry package delivers dependable cleaning power, efficient drying, quiet performance, and modern convenience, making it an excellent choice for families in 2026. Number 1. The Samsung Smart 4.7 cu foot top-load washer and 7.4 cu foot electric dryer bundle is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a powerful, connected, and user-friendly laundry system. Featuring a stylish black finish and a complete installation package, this set offers convenience right out of the box with included power cords, washer hoses, vent duct, and a 1-year CPS protection plan. The washer's 4.7 cubic foot capacity easily accommodates large family-sized loads, reducing laundry time and improving efficiency. Its active waterjet feature allows users to pre-treat stains directly in the machine, making it easier to tackle heavily soiled clothing. Samsung's vibration reduction technology helps keep noise levels low, creating a quieter laundry experience even during intensive cycles. The matching 7.4 cubic foot dryer is equally impressive. Equipped with sensor dry technology, it automatically detects moisture levels and ends the cycle when clothes are perfectly dry. This helps prevent fabric damage caused by overdrying while also reducing energy consumption. The reversible dryer door adds installation flexibility for various laundry room layouts. One of the standout features is the SmartThings Wi-Fi connectivity. Through the app, users can monitor progress, receive cycle completion alerts, and access additional settings remotely. Customers frequently praise the machine's intuitive controls, multiple cycle options, and ability to handle large items like comforters and blankets. Based on user feedback, this Samsung laundry pair delivers outstanding cleaning and drying performance, quiet operation, and modern smart home convenience. It's a dependable, feature-rich laundry solution that offers excellent value for families and busy households in 2026. Thanks for watching our review of the best washing machines in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect washer for your home, budget, and laundry needs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which washing machine is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.